fuck this Jeep right now. Shit. Oh fuck no, can't sit in this shit. Oh. Gotta take this out. Alright. So, guys, I don't know if I think I figured out what my problem might be, but my thermostat is disconnected right now at the moment. One of the relays blew out on my fan. Ended up switching the motorized belt fan to the electrical fan, and I blew this out. So I am sitting here wondering if maybe one of the reasons why the Jeep isn't running is because the automatic shutdown relay is switched off because there's no signal coming from the thermostat of the engine. So I'm gonna get all of this, try to get reconnected. Join me with that. The way that I'm gonna go about this though is I've got this switch panel that I'm gonna install right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the fan to one of these connectors. It probably has to be the 30 amp fuse, and have a switch for that. Like and a subscribe would be awesome. That would be very much appreciated. And join me along to see if this problem is the problem with the Jeep. If not, we'll keep figuring it out and go from there, you know what I mean? But let's go, let's get after this and get this done. I'm debating, well, not debating, I'm gonna actually install it right here, the switch panel. Go right there. I'm gonna piggyback off of the holes that are right here, right there, and then cut off this top part right here. I was trying to figure out a way to mount it like this or something, but I can't. The airbag here isn't even in the car anymore, so this is the perfect space to keep it because it keeps it off of the ground, and also too it keeps it next to the switch box. I mean the fuse box that's right there as well too, so it's a good place to put it. The one thing I don't like is this little lip right here. I might end up chopping this off or figuring out a way to get this out of here. Might angle grind that off or something, I don't know yet. We're gonna figure that out. But the reason I don't like it is because it gets right there in the middle and it makes it wobble. I don't like that, so we might actually cut that off right here. So in the final result, when I get the Jeep running and everything like that, and I put the dash back on, I'm gonna take this back off. I am gonna trim these two little fins off with the angle grinder. That way it's a little more flush. And maybe might do these holes again, just drill them up here so I can just drop this bracket down a little bit more. But as of right now, this is gonna be a nice setup because it'll help us be able to get all these accessories and everything like that set up. And then that breaker right here, I can mount it literally anywhere. I can mount it here, on the side, in the hood, wherever I really want, and then go from there. Cheers, guys. So I'm gonna read this instructions for the red, yellow, and white wire, because from what it's saying is that it looks like it needs, all of them need to be connected to power. But I know that the yellow wire controls the brightness for the switch panel right here. Red is your power. And then it says, it is recommended that the white wire is connected to the power supply plus pull with a reset switch. You can also directly touch the power supply plus pull with the white wire to adjust. And the switch surface can be set circularly. The brightness of the backboard of the backlight of a 4-gear not brightness. I don't know what the hell. I don't even think I'm reading anything anymore about the white line, about the white wire anymore. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out tomorrow. I'm gonna go. My girl's feeling sick and my battery lights are dying. So we'll get after it tomorrow. Once this is set up, like I said to you guys, then we can try to figure out the electrical fan that I ended up installing is the reason why this thing isn't working. But this is not where I'm gonna run the electrical fan off. I'm gonna actually have it on a whole separate full-time switch. I'm an idiot and kind of figuring out what the Jeep has going on and everything. Like, have been trying to tackle this, I guess I should tell you guys, with a shitty battery. So I went out and I got another battery. Thank God this was on warranty, because I ended up purchasing it about 2.5 years ago, the old one, and this one is in warranty, and it's 3-year warranty on a red top battery from AutoZone. Now, the old one was tested, and the other one, it did test bad, so hopefully this can be an issue that solves our electrical problem to get this thing running. What I'm gonna do as well too is I'm gonna move all of these fuses, relays I should say, from the engine bay inside the cabin. And the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna install this bracket next to the fuse box for the 8-switch panel that we just installed inside the Jeep, okay? And then we'll just follow me along with that, and I'll show you how that one's going. But welcome to the next day, and let's try to see if we can figure this problem out today. And yes, it is past 12. I am a God's man. I'm not just having beer out here for breakfast and shit. We're looking for this jam. And if you ever need a marker, your kid's Crayola crayons work really well. There's for like $4 you can get 32 markers. Look at that. Professional tracing right there. God damn it. The fuck? First, and see if actually that'll get us getting our gauges running. Up and moving. I feel like when the gauges get up and moving, the car will actually turn over, you know? Setup. I love the red top Optima batteries. Take the black tab off, which is I heard it connect. I heard a little just heard a sizzle. After new battery installed, let's check it out. Let's see if anything happens to the gauges. No. Nothing. Still nothing. I also didn't realize that I had some of these Easy ID fuses. They light up when they're blown, so I'm actually going to install these on all the 20 amp fuses. I have a whole pack of 20 amps, so I figured I'd just swap them out because it'll be easier to detect them if something is wrong with anything. Should I attempted to try to turn it over? Maybe for no reason. That crank though. That crank a lot better. But nothing. Fucking shit. Fucking hate this piece of fucking junk right now. This is a fucking piece of shit. Fuck this Jeep right now.